We will now show you how to sew the slanted pant pocket. Place the pocket bag made of lining fabric with right sides together on the pocket openings of the front trousers panels and sew on seam width. Fold the pocket bag to the inside along the sewn line. Iron well. If desired, you can top stitch the edge here. We will now use the second pocket bag made out of main fabric. Mark the notches 1 and 2 on your pocket bags onto the fabric. This is your back pocket slant line on the back pocket bag made of main fabric. Make sure the side edges and the top edges are matching. Fix the pocket bag with 2 short seams at the notches 1 and 2. Pin pocket bags together. Sew the pocket bags together using a straight machine stitch. Cut the pocket bags to one size. Finish the edges of both pocket bags together. Now, using a zigzag or other finishing stitch, sew along the pocket side and along the upper edge. In our example, we didn't have enough main fabric left. That's why there is a seam in the middle. You're now finished with one side. You'd do the same thing mirrored on the other side.